This is the time when organizations are announcing their quarterly results. Infosys too announced their quarterly results. And not surprisingly, Infosys churned out rupees 4,355 crore of consolidated profits in the last quarter, which is around 6.3% more compared to the previous quarter. Quite an awesome quarter for Infosys. Now in this video, we are going to talk about the coronavirus impact to the present and future employees of Infosys. Watch the video till the end to gain complete insights. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Sparing a few, many organizations have announced that they are suspending increments and promotions of employees in 2020. Infosys too has followed the lead and have suspended all increments and promotions in 2020. When they will resume this has not been announced. So no salary increments and promotions for all employees this year. But there's also good news. Infosys has also told that they will honor all 35,000 job offers which they made for this year, and the freshers will be onboarded in a phased manner. Infosys is already providing virtual trainings to the employees and interns who were earlier studying in their Mysore campus. As due to lockdown during mid-March, the interns and employees who joined Infosys who were being trained in Mysore campus had to go back. So all of those are being trained virtually. And on the laterals, the experienced people will be onboarded case to case basis, which will be depending on requirements. Now, this might be slightly difficult for some of the people who might have already resigned and serving notice period, because if Infosys delays the joining, then they will be stranded. Also, Infosys doesn't have any plans to hire any new freshers. So no new hiring of freshers will start anytime soon. We expect this to continue till the coronavirus epidemic goes on. Also, Infosys has said that they will bring back employees in a phased manner. Infosys mentioned that they are in no hurry to get employees back to offices. They will return the employees in phased manner, with 5% employees returning in the first phase. Next phase might have 15% employees. So what do you think about this development? We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited Trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.